ignore it. So we are going to open a database. Here you can see open green apple which is located in Sundar. Make new site. Okay, here we go. So actually my PC is slow, so it is taking a lot, not slow like me. Okay, is just look at from here, skip this and so we have the PV modules and Assalamu alaikum. Welcome to the first video of the PVSyst tutorial series. So here let's open the PVSyst software. I'm using the PVSyst 7.4 version. Basically it is called 7.4.7 as you can see here. Let's give some time, it is loading. So I have a pop-up message, an important patch is available. No, I don't need it, I will ignore it. So here we go. Here on the top you can see there are some menus, file menu, premium design and project settings, language, license, help. So we can discuss these menus later on. So let's here there are, as we know, there are three major type of solar that are existing in this time. So one is on grid, second is hybrid, and third is pumping. Mostly we are using on grid system in industries or on our houses. There are the utilities, there are database tools, measures data. These are some kinds of like tools which can help you a lot. Let's discuss about the database. So we are going to open a database. Here you can see we have a weather database or component database. Okay? Let's discuss about the weather database. From here you can add your geographical locations at which you want to like you want to draw or you want to simulate your PVSyst reports. So let me first open my Google map. From there I can get my location. So I'm using the AZ plastic green apple which is located in Sundar. Here we go. So you can see there is already solar panels are installed. We need to remove them and we have to increase the capacity of the system. So we are going to elevate the system. By the way, I have already designed it. You can say that it's structure on SketchUp already. So let's take the coordinates from there, and so let's go to geographical site and put that coordinates I need. So we are going to make new site. Let's open here. It is taking some time. Okay, here we go. So actually my PC is slow, so it is taking a lot of time. So probably your PC does not slow like me. Okay. So let's give it some time. Okay, here you go. Here's a locality. We can paste the coordinates here, or you can manually get the coordinates manually by adding the coordinates here. But for me, I will go from there and Control V and search it. So search it. Let's give it some time. It is taking a lot of time. Maybe we have some internet issue. Let me check it. Here we go. It was my internet issue, so that was loading too late. So you can see the location which I have selected is just loaded on PVSyst. So here is the building or the my site location. So you can see that locality. Here we got the name, country, latitude, longitude, its altitude and time zone. We will just accept the selected point and it can adjust the other things by himself. So I'm going to change its name to Sundar state, as I will use this name coordinate for my other projects too. So Sundar sir, you can check the sun path from here. Like sun path is going to from this to this, and it's from 22 June, which is the longest day you can in the year, and 22 December, which is the shortest day, which is this one. So let's skip this and just import it. And we are not going to discuss the other things here, so let's skip it and move on. So it has automatically generated the sequence wise the you can see that temperature, wind velocity, and other things, humidity for all the months in a year, like January, February, March, well, December. Here will be according to my side. It is taking the from the 1996 to 2015, as I have not I sorry, English is not good, so I'm trying to speak in English. uh, it means that I have a previous version of Meteonorm 8.1, so I have to update it. We will see it later. It doesn't impact that it is 2025. So here we go. Global horizon radiation is 4.6%, which is good. So I'm going to OK it, and here we go, save it. So we have done everything. Geographical sites like Sundar State is now saved in database. We will OK it, and here you go. Let's save it, save it, save it. Okay, so we have the Sundar State site here. We will close it. So from here you can component database. From there you can add your PV modules. Here I have automatically in this version of 7.4.6 I have already have my PV module. Like, let's suppose we can discuss about the Canadian panels. I'm going to use the Canadian, if you can see it here, Canadian. Here we go. It's Canadian. No, it's not Canadian. Let's find it. Let's go for the J panels, J solar. Here we go. So I have multiple option here. So we can we can choose the 580 watt or 585 or 590 or 605 according to, or you can also import the data sheet here. So you can have your on panel data sheet here. So we have the PV modules and etc. Batteries, grid inverter. Basically we are using the Huawei, so I have the Huawei 100 kilowatt. If we are going to use the let's suppose GE solar, we have a good V here. Okay, you can use the grow watt also here. So we can use the Solis. Let's see, it says Solis or not. It should have this Solis. No, I'm not seeing the Solis here. So we have the Solar Max here and other inverters too. We can add the Solis here by just adding in their datasheet. Okay, so here you can add your PV modules or inverters or batteries or generators, whatever you want to add. So in this video we have done these things which we have added the database, and we can add a component. Let's see the other things in our next video. Take care. Allah Hafiz.